Before the chaos awakens, Mumbai takes a breath. A single moment of stillness before millions of footsteps begin their daily rhythm. Here, mornings are alive. The salt of the sea at Sassoon Dock, the whistle of the first train. The steam of boiling tea rising into the air. This is how the city greets the day. In Mumbai, space is a luxury, yet millions move as one, shoulder to shoulder, life brushing against life, dreams colliding on crowded platforms and narrow streets. The noise, the rush, the endless motion. This is not disorder. It is the heartbeat of the city. And within this heartbeat lies contrast. Towers of glass and steel rise over sprawling slums. Imported cars glide past hand-pulled carts. Glittering billboards of Bollywood stars shine above faces, still waiting for their chance. Here, the wealthiest and the poorest breathe the same humid air. Couples watching the sun sink along Marine Drive. But Mumbai's soul is not defined by wealth or struggle alone. It is faith, it is food, it is resilience. It is the drums of Ganpati immersions, the prayers of Eid at dawn. Mumbai belongs to no one, and yet to everyone. It never rests, it only flows. A city where every story is unfinished, and every tomorrow carries another chance. This is Mumbai, the city that never pauses.